Kia Motors, which marked its entry in India in 2019, has registered a new sales milestone in the Indian market. The South Korean carmaker has achieved sales of 1 lakh units within 1 year of its entry into the market. Kia Motors India is said to be the fastest vehicle manufacturer to achieve the sales milestone in the country. The company entered India 11 months back and has two models on sale, Seltos and Carnival. They are now on the verge of introducing a third offering in the form of a sub-4-meter compact SUV, the Sonet. The Kia Seltos was the brand's first model in the Indian market and was introduced in August 2019. The Seltos came with a sharp, sporty and aggressive design which immediately caught the attention of customers in the SUV market, even making it the best-selling in the segment on multiple occasions. The Kia Seltos over the past 11 months has managed to register a little over 97,700 units in the Indian market. The SUV is manufactured at the company's production facility in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. The Seltos has also become a regular in the country's best-selling car list consistently for multiple months over the past 1 year as well. The Kia Carnival is the brand's second product in the Indian market. The Carnival is a premium MPV offering from Kia Motors and was launched earlier this year at the 2020 Auto Expo. The Kia Carnival, since its launch in India, has registered around 3,600 units in the Indian market. The Carnival MPV comes with multiple sitting configurations and is packed with a host of features and equipment. The Kia Sonet will be the brand's third offering in the Indian market and the second made in India model following the Seltos. The world premiere of the Kia Sonet has been scheduled to take place on the 7th of August, ahead of its launch in India during the latter part of the month or in early September. The Sonet has been spied testing multiple times and once introduced will be positioned in the compact SUV segment. The Kia Sonet will rival the likes of Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Ford EcoSport, Hyundai Venue and the Tata Nexon. Kia Motors is all set to launch its third vehicle in the Indian market, which will be a compact SUV named Sonet. Kia Motors is gearing up for the global premiere of the Sonet on August 7, 2020. The company is regularly releasing new updates of the upcoming compact SUV in the Indian market. Recently, Kia unveiled the interior and exterior sketches of the sub-4-meter SUV. The Kia Sonet will be the brand's third model in the Indian market after the Seltos debut and the Carnival MPV. Kia Sonet was first showcased during the Auto Expo 2020. The sub-4-meter SUV is expected to get the GT line and Tech line trims like the Seltos. Moreover, some of the Kia dealers have also started accepting bookings unofficially for an amount of Rs 25,000. The Sonet will feature a muscular stance with chunky body cladding all around. The compact SUV's looks are further complemented with the inclusion of large dual-tone alloy wheels, roof rails and scuff plates at both ends. The car will also get the brand's signature Tiger nose grille, LED projector headlamps with LED DRLs, split tail lamps with an LED light bar running across the boot lid along with an integrated roof spoiler and an LED stop lamp. On the inside, Kia is expected to pack the SUV with many best-in-class features including a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that will support Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. The Sonet will also feature the brand's latest iteration of UO connected features. The Sonet will be available with host of engine and powertrain options. This includes a 1.2-liter petrol engine, a 1.5 diesel unit and a 1.0 turbo petrol motor. The 1.2-liter petrol will come mated to a 5-speed manual or an IVT automatic. The 1.5-liter diesel will come mated to a 6-speed manual with an optional torque converter, while the top-spec 1.0-liter turbo engine will be offered with either an IMT or a 7-speed DCT. The Kia Sonet is one of the most awaited compact sub-4-meter SUVs in the Indian market. Once launched in India, the Kia Sonet will go up against the likes of the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Hyundai Venue, Ford EcoSport and Tata Nexon. Toyota Motors India is all set to launch its compact SUV in the Indian market. Compact SUV segment is one of the hot selling segments. Hyundai launched Venue and Kia Motors is all set to launch Sonet. Toyota Kirloskar Motors announced its much-awaited entry into the compact SUV segment in India with the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser. The Urban Cruiser would endear itself to the discerning customers who are seeking more from a compact SUV. The company will launch the compact SUV in its India lineup during the festive season to cater to the growing demand for compact SUVs in India. It is expected to be launched by September 2020. Bookings for the car is likely to be started in the second half of August. The urban cruiser will be powered by the same 105 PS 1.5-liter petrol engine introduced in the Vitara Brezza. It will probably be offered with the same gearbox options as the Maruti 5-speed manual and 4-speed torque converter. Unlike the Vitara Brezza, we expect the lightweight hybrid system to be offered in manual as well as Maruti. It is limited to automatic variants. It is much more similar to the Vitara Brezza, which shares many elements with Maruti. However, unlike the Glanza, the urban cruiser is likely to have a redesigned front end for a different identity. It can use alloy wheels, a different set of tail lamps, and interior themes to create a slightly different look. It is expected to be featured with a 7-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cruise control, climate control, a multi-info display, keyless entry with push-button start, steering-mounted audio controls. As for safety features, it includes ABS with EBD, dual airbags, rear-view camera, and rear parking sensors. Toyota to sell the SUV in fewer variants than its Maruti Suzuki counterpart, as it does with the Glanza. Toyota will also likely have the upper hand on ownership cost, as the urban cruiser is expected to come with the brand's 3-year 1 lakh kilometer warranty as opposed to the 2-year 40,000 km on the Vitara Brezza. The price for the Toyota Urban Cruiser is expected to be around Rs 8 lakh, which is Rs 65,000 more than the Vitara Brezza. After the launch, it will rival the likes of Hyundai Venue, Tata Nexon, Ford EcoSport, and the upcoming Kia Sonet. Toyota Fortuner is one of the most popular SUVs in the Indian market. Toyota Kirloskar Motors has now launched the limited edition Fortuner TRD in the Indian market. Prices for the special edition SUV starts at Rs 34.98 lakh ex-showroom India. The Fortuner TRD features a host of cosmetic changes over the standard model. This time around, the company is offering the special edition model in two automatic versions, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. The top specs Fortuner TRD 4-wheel drive model retails at Rs 36.88 lakh ex-showroom India. The TRD variant is based on the top spec trim of the Fortuner. However, the TRD model features some upgrades over the standard model. These include revised bumpers at the front and back, a new front grille and fog skid plates at either end, a dual-tone roof, charcoal black 18-inch alloy wheels, and a host of TRD badging. The limited edition model gets a sporty treatment and offers added features that enhance the safety of the SUV. This includes a 360-degree panoramic view monitor, auto-fold ORVMs, dual-tone scheme with a black and maroon color theme, and illuminated scuff plate, among others. The seats will be finished in leather upholstery with contrasting red stitching all around, with door panel trims finished in red. The company is also offering the Fortuner TRD with a range of optional accessories to choose from. This includes a head-up display, a tire pressure monitoring system, puddle lamps, wireless smartphone charger for rear occupants, a digital video recorder, and an air ionizer to help purify the air inside the cabin. Apart from the cosmetic changes, the limited edition Fortuner is expected to remain the same mechanically. Powering the TRD model is the 2.8-liter diesel unit that produces 175 bhp and 420 Nm of torque. It comes mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission with sequential and paddle shift. The Toyota Fortuner TRD editions feature a host of important upgrades that give the limited edition SUV both aesthetic and functional updates over the standard model. The company had earlier announced that it will bring a limited edition model of the outgoing Fortuner ahead of the 2021 version launch. Kia Motors India launched its third product for the Indian market, the much-awaited compact SUV Kia Sonet, which is made in India. Its concept was first showcased during the Auto Expo 2020. Kia Motors Corporation, one of the world's largest automakers, revealed the Kia Sonet to the world today in a digital presentation manufactured at Kia's state-of-the-art production facility at Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. The Sonet is Kia's all-new smart urban compact SUV and the brand's latest made in India global product after the Seltos. The new Sonet marks Kia Motors' entry into the compact SUV segment and sets new benchmarks with its first-in-class features. The Sonet showcases a range of styling attributes to make it stand apart on roads around the world. This includes a fresh interpretation of Kia's signature Tiger nose grille, flanked by heartbeat LED DRLs, shaped like the electric pulse of a heart, with a stylish front skid plate beneath. Its sporty silhouette is enhanced by the unique design and structure of its C-pillar, matched with a wrap-around rear windscreen. The heartbeat LED tail lamps also adorn the rear. The Sonet will be offered with multiple powertrain options to suit virtually all requirements in this segment. A choice of two gasoline engines, a versatile SmartStream 1.2-liter 4-cylinder and powerful 1.0 TGDI, turbocharged gasoline direct injection, and an efficient 1.5-liter CRDI diesel engine are available with a choice of 5 transmissions. This includes 5 and 6-speed manuals and 7-speed DCT, 6-speed automatic, and Kia's revolutionary new 6-speed Smart Stream Intelligent Manual Transmission (IMT). The latter is a technological breakthrough from Kia, offer fatigue-free driving thanks to the absence of a clutch pedal, yet the same driver control as a conventional manual transmission. For the first time in this segment, the Sonet also offers its 1.5-liter diesel engine with the 6-speed automatic transmission. The compact SUV Sonet will be offered in a dual trim concept, Tech line and GT line. On the dashboard is the largest in-segment 10.25-inch HD touchscreen with the infotainment and navigation system, a display that confirms Kia's premium positioning in the compact SUV segment. The system offers Kia's initiative and friendly UO connected car technology. Additionally, the 4.2-inch 10.66 cm instrument cluster presents important information to the driver. The Sonet is loaded with multiple segment-first features offering complete comfort, convenience, safety, and optimum driving pleasure to customers. This includes Smart Pure Air Purifier with virus protection, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio with subwoofer, ventilated driver and front passenger seats, LED sound mode lighting, remote engine start for automatic and manual transmission via UO Connect and Smart Key, over-the-air map updates, multi-drive and traction modes, and grip control for automatic models, and wireless smartphone charger with cooling function. In terms of safety, the Kia Sonet is set to offer a host of equipment as standard. This includes 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, HSC, ESC, VSM, brake assist, automatic headlamps, ISOFIX child seat anchors, and a host of others. The Kia Sonet is scheduled to go on sale in the Indian market sometime in the coming weeks. However, we expect the SUV to be positioned competitively in the price range of Rs 8 lakh to Rs 12 lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. Ferrari India has silently introduced its F8 Tributo in the Indian market recently with a price tag starting at Rs 4.02 crores, ex-showroom India. The Ferrari F8 Tributo is the brand's latest mid-engine supercar and a successor to the popular 488 GTB. The new F8 Tributo comes powered by the same 3.9-liter twin turbocharged V8 petrol engine. It now produces 720 bhp and 770 Nm of peak torque and is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox as standard. The Ferrari F8 Tributo is also said to be the brand's last non-hybrid V8 powered supercar before downsizing to V6 engines for future models. The F8 Tributo was first showcased globally at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. Ferrari claims that the F8 Tributo is their fastest series production mid-engine supercar till date. The F8 Tributo is capable of sprinting to a top speed of 340 km per hour, while 0 to 100 km per hour comes up in 2.9 seconds and 0 to 200 km per hour takes 7.8 seconds. The Ferrari F8 Tributo is also said to weigh 40 kg lesser than its predecessor and offer 15% more downforce as well. The F8 Tributo comes with much sharper and aggressive styling compared to its predecessor, although there are still a lot of design cues which have been carried forward from the 488 GTB. Styling updates on the new F8 Tributo includes refreshed headlamps, sharper creases. This also includes refreshed headlamps, numerous vents, F1 inspired edge ducts, spoiler, and a host of other design changes, making the Tributo look even stylish, sporty, and aggressive than its predecessor. Inside, the Ferrari F8 Tributo carries forward a completely revamped design compared to the 488 GTB. This includes a more driver-centric cockpit and dashboard and is wrapped in premium leather Alcantara materials all around, along with a number of carbon fiber trims as well. The F8 Tributo also comes with digital screens on the cockpit, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, flat bottom steering wheel, and large paddle shifters among a host of others. The Ferrari F8 Tributo marks the end of an era. The F8 Tributo will be the last non-hybrid mid-engine V8 powered supercar to be produced by the Maranello outfit.